Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ophiology. I'm back with new video about the birds. There are almost 9 to 10,000 species of the bird in the world. They vary in different color, shape and size. But today I'm gonna eliminate top 7 smallest birds in the world. Number 7 is American goldfinch. There are many finch varieties, but goldfinch is smallest among them. These birds are 11 to 14 cm long and weigh 11 to 20 grams, with a wingspan of 19 to 20 cm. They are yellow in color with black wings and tail. Their beak is very small, which changes color from pink to orange. The male is slightly different from female. They make small colonies. They live in residential areas. Their nests are made by grass, spider's web, weeds, and silk. They lay 4 to 6 eggs incubated by female alone, and male brings feed for female in nest. Their hatching period is 12 to 14. Chicks become independent with 16 to 18 days. They eat seeds, stem, root, grasses, and trees. Their lifespan is 3 to 6 years. They make sounds like. The next smallest bird in our list is brown Gerygone. Brown Gerygone is 10 cm long and weighs 6 grams. These beautiful birds are brown, grey and cream in color with a dark tail. They eat small insects. Their nests are made by plants, mosses and spider's web. They breed during August to Feb and lay 2 to 4 eggs. Both parents feed their chicks and the incubation period is 18 days. Their chicks remain in the nest for 15 days. Gerygone birds make sound like. The next smallest bird in our list is golden-headed cisticola. These 9 to 11 cm long birds with the weight of 6 to 8 grams, mostly found in Australia and 13 Asian countries. They are brown and cream in color with a golden head and a short tail, which helps in improving reproductive success. Their nests are made with the help of plant leaves, spider's thread and grass. They are known as best artists of nest making. Seeds and insects are their diet. They are supposed to be very romantic birds as they usually mate in rainy season. In some areas they breed anytime in the year, but in some areas they breed during their breeding season. They lay 3 to 4 eggs and are hatched within 11 days. Their chicks raised in the nest within 11 to 13 days. Female feeds chicks and male defends the nest. They make variety of sounds like. The next smallest bird on the table is common firecrest. This 9 cm long bird weighs 4 to 7 grams with a wingspan 13 to 16 centimeters. This beautiful bird has brownish grey chest, greenish upper side and yellowish golden head. But the male is slightly different as compared to the female. Nests are constructed with the help of mosses, branches and spider's thread by the female alone. They lay around 7 to 12 eggs which are pinkish in color from April to May and June to July. Female incubates the eggs from 15 to 17 days. Lifespan of this bird is less than 2 years. They love eating spiders and other small insects. These birds make call like. The third smallest bird in the list is spotted pardalote. It is an Australian bird with the length of 8 to 10 cm. One of the most colorful birds with the grey-brown upper part covered with spots. Wings and tail have white spots on it. The male is slightly different from female. They breed between August to December and make underground nests with 0.5 to 1.5 meters long hole in the side of riverbank, where they lay 3 to 4 eggs and breed once a year, and eggs hatch within 19 days. They feed chicks for the next 21 days. They are always busy in whistling and creating sounds like. The second smallest bird in the world is Smicrodnis brevirostris. These Australian birds are 8 to 9 cm long with the weight of 6 grams. Their wingspan is 15 cm. These are the beautiful birds with yellow chest, brown back and grey legs and feet. They are found in woodlands, canopies of dry and shades. They eat insects, larvae and seed. These birds are very active and noisy. They make grass nests on trees. They lay 2 to 4 eggs. Only female take care of eggs. And the hatching period of their eggs are 10 to 12 days. Both parents feed their chicks. They sing songs like. The smallest bird living on the planet is hummingbird. There are 325 species of hummingbird in the world. They are 5 cm long. Their weight is less than 2 grams. They beat their wings so fast which create humming sound. That's why they are known as hummingbirds. They beat wings 88 times in 1 second. Their average lifespan is 3 to 5 years, but most of them die during their first year. They make cup-shaped nests on the branches of the tree. They lay 2 eggs which are usually hatched within 14 to 23 days. Only female feed chicks and they become adult within 18 to 22 days. They eat different kind of insects. Their metabolism is so high, that's why they eat throughout the day. The interesting thing about the hummingbird is they can fly upward, backward and upside down. They sing songs like. So that's it from today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.